I started the restaurant again in its newest avatar, the Matsya avatar.
See, MGR was a big fan of a badam kheer. Because of that, a lot of actors used to have a badam kheer. And now latest, we did the catering for the Royal Challengers Bangalore. For their training, we did the snack box.
Sir, welcome to Matsya.
Thank you, sir.
Are you from Chennai?
I am very much from Chennai.
Chennai. ரொம்ப ரெகுலராக வருவீங்களா மத்ஸ்யா ஹோட்டலுக்கு?
எல்லா இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அக்கேஷன்ஸ்க்கு டெஃபினட்டாக வருவோம், ஃபேமிலியோட கூட்டின்னு வருவோம்.
How tasty you feel?
Food, you have variety of food first of all, and all kinds of food have got special taste, and the taste remains the same from day one. It's not changed. The standard is good.
Okay.
I like it, and I have also recommend to my friends.
Oh, very good.
And these people who have come from California, I brought them.
Oh, very nice.
To this hotel.
Taste, taste is really awesome. Okay, I have never been to this restaurant, but thanks to my friend for bringing us here, and also if it is not this evening, I would have had the full buffet. Okay. So and your rasam is excellent. It tastes so good.
Very good.
So it's made at home, and so I'm happy. I'm here.
Greetings from G. Krishnan and welcome to my YouTube channel G. Krish TV. சென்னைனாவே பல சிறப்பு அம்சங்கள் ஞாபகம் வரும். மெரினா பீச்சு, புண்ணிய ஸ்தலங்கள், கல்விக்கூடங்கள், இன்டர்நேஷ்னலி அக்ரெடிட்டட் எஜுகேஷனல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ், சூப்பர் ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல், நிறைய சூப்பர் ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் சென்னையும் சென்னையை சுற்றியும் இருக்கின்றன. சென்னைக்கு மிக பெருமை அளிக்கக்கூடிய சிறப்பு அம்சம் என்னவென்றால் ஃபில்டர் காஃபி, மல்லிகைப்பூ இட்லி, மசாலா தோசை. இது அனைவருக்கும் நினைவுக்கு வரும். சென்னையில் பல வெஜிடேரியன் ஹோட்டல்கள் இருக்கின்றன. சில பிரபல ஹோட்டல்கள் பல வருடங்களாக இருக்கின்றன. அந்த ஹோட்டல்களில் முத்திரையை பதித்த மத்ஸ்யா ஹோட்டல். மத்ஸ்யா என்றால் எல்லாருக்கும் உடுப்பி குசைன் ஞாபகம் வரும். ஐ ஹாவ் 3 guests before me who were all directors of Matsya, Mr. Ram Prasad Bhatt, Mr. Ram Narayan Bhatt and Mr. Praglad Bhatt. Ram Prasad Bhatt, மார்பி பட் என்று அன்பாக அழைக்கப்படும் நீங்கள் இந்த தொழிலுக்கு எப்படி வந்தீர்கள்?
It's a long story which you have pushed me back many years. When I was studying in maybe my 9th standard, 10th standard, my father கொஞ்சமாக அவருக்கு health problems இருந்தது. So I being the only son, I began helping him. I used to go to the hotels after school and sit with him, get his ideas, which he had a vast experience. He has worked, before he started the hotels, he has worked for many years under other people, and after that when he started his own, 1950 he started Udupi Sri Krishna Lunch Home in Egmore. And then he started, after 10 years, he started Udupi Home just nearby. And then the present Udupi Home, the Udupi Krishna Lunch Home, we broke and we built the present rooms. In 1974, however, suddenly he passed away. I was hardly 18. It was a difficult choice. I was studying in MCC Tambram, second year. I have to study, I have to run the restaurant, the hotel. I had a huge debt which my father had to build the hotel. I had 3 unmarried sisters. I had a lot of personal commitments. God was kind and we were running it successfully. Suddenly, during the emergency, they passed the Janata Food Act, by which ஒரு முழம் பூ ஒரு சாப்பாடு சேம் ரேட். ஒரு ரூபா பூ ஒரு ரூபா அந்த காலத்தில். ஒரு ஃபுல் மீல் இவ்வளோ வெயிட் இருக்கணும், ரசம் இவ்வளோ வெயிட் இருக்கணும், ரைஸு ஒரு ரூபா. ஒரு ட்ரெயின் போகுது, ஒரு ஸ்டேஷனில் வந்து ப்ரைவேட் விஎல்ஆர், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஷனில் கவர்மெண்ட் விஎல்ஆர். அந்த கவர்மெண்ட் விஎல்ஆர் ஸ்டேஷனில் திஸ் ஆக்ட் won't apply. I had from my father's times, அந்த காலத்தில் எப்படின்னா, even today, customers know what they are paying. If I am charging, at that time maybe I don't remember, 3 rupees or 4 rupees for a lunch, a few very ambitious officers, I don't want to name names, in their wisdom, took a call and all items, Janata items, would be so much, so much, so much, so much. And when the customer is eating, the food sale police will come and they will take the idli and they will weigh in as the customer is eating. There was a lot of harassment. And I said, I was 18, 19. I didn't like it one bit. I said, enough is enough. Close the restaurant tomorrow. There was tension. And then, when all that was, Supreme Court threw out this order and we were starting afresh, I started the restaurant again in its newest avatar, the Matsya avatar.
Yeah, you know, we were supposed to, நாங்கள் போயிட்டு இருந்தோம் மத்ஸ்ய நாராயணா கோயிலுக்கு. நடுவில் அந்த டைமில் தான் இந்த மத்ஸ்ய இந்த ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்டை பற்றியே பேச்சு வந்தது. அப்போ வந்து இவர் சொன்னார், வந்து எங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சொன்னார், இந்த இதுக்கு போவோம், இந்த மத்ஸ்ய நாராயண கோயிலுக்கு போக முடியல. இவர் சொன்னார், இங்கே வந்தால் அவங்களோட டேஸ்ட்டே வந்து அமிர்தமாக அந்த கோயிலில் சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும்னு சொன்னார். அதனால தான் இங்கே வந்தோம். அண்ட் ஐ நோ டவுட் திஸ் இஸ் அ கிரேட் restaurant. Food was really good.
Okay, actually.
In 1981 March, till then Madras has seen North Indian food as giving puri, they used to call it Bombay Thali, extra puri or extra chapatis. That is it. They have not seen beyond that. You won't believe, in 1981, I not only served tandoori food, all the lights would be dimmed at 7 in the evening. All women coming in for a restaurant which was run traditionally Udupi style. Women coming in would be given flowers. There was a fountain in the middle of the restaurant. All cutlery was all silver, silver based. It was run like a 5-star restaurant. We started tandoori food. We started Mexican. Any restaurant today serving all these items, we are the creators of these items in Chennai.
How was it possible for you to do this preparation of Mexican and North Indian items?
I used to go to different places, study the food there, learn, got connected with the people there, brought the people from there, and we ran it successfully. Of course, I have a lot of religious inclination, and because of that, we did not expand like how others have.
I understand no other restaurant had an AC, air-conditioned restaurant,
Fully AC.
which was available only in 5-star hotel. You created a brand in 1981. Now I have Mr. Ramnarayan Bhatt. Ramnarayan Bhatt, Matsya was famous in 1981 because anybody goes to the Egmore flyover, nobody can miss your hotel. And everybody knows the quality of food you serve, South Indian vegetarian food. As Mr. R.P. Bhatt was mentioning, you were the first restaurant. In a restaurant like Matsya, at an affordable price, he was able to give the North Indian items. Now, we have seen Matsya growing. Now we have Matsya T Nagar. We have Matsya Adayar. We have the leading hotels also in Chennai, pure vegetarian hotels. In spite of this, we always see, if given the choice, people always say, I prefer going to Matsya because the buffet lunch, the coffee is nice. Filter coffee is available everywhere. But you go to Matsya, filter coffee is nice. At the same time, when I see the final bill also, I show a pleasant face. So how is possible?
See, because one is he had the vision. Firstly, we brought in items which were not available to a common man. Till that time, North Indian item was puri and bhaji. So we bought authentic tandoor and authentic North Indian food here. Then we introduced continental and Mexican. Otherwise, a normal person has to go to a 5-star to eat these items. And another thing is we made it price friendly. So it shouldn't burn your pocket. So it's not just targeted at one segment, it is for everybody. And then what happened is we opened in Delhi. And we opened in Delhi in 81 itself. Soon after Egmo, we opened in Delhi. It is in Daryaganj, Asaf Ali Road, Delight Cinemas, and it's a very popular thing. It's very next to the stock exchange. And after that, it's called Bajagovindam.
Bajagovindam,
Since
okay.
in the north, the Bajagovindam is very famous.
To name the restaurant as
The
Bajagovindam,
name
yes.
of the restaurant is Bajagovindam.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean it's part of the group,
Okay.
but in the north it's called Bajagovindam.
Okay.
And we upgraded our thing in T Nagar and in Adyar. And why should we again serve same idli dosa? We have to go couple of notches higher, and we have introduced the buffet. And the buffet is you have like 20 to 30 items. On the weekdays you have about 20 items, and on the weekends it's about 30 items. And we concentrate on South Indian, North Indian, continental, and Chinese. And latest is we have got into pastries. Okay, we have got into bakery and pastry items, and everything is eggless. Everything is pure vegetarian, and we are also focusing on the vegan aspect. Because now today it's also in a health aspect. There are a lot of people who are genuinely want to be vegan. So that we are concentrating on that aspect. Because today everyone they want one thing, which is a health concept. Even in Egmore, we have introduced every day soup of the day, the dosa of the day, and one health dish of the day. So today will be a multi-grain dosa. So you have come to a restaurant where you are having commercial food. At the same time, it has to be healthy. So these are innovations which we have set the standards. Of course, people will pick up the ideas and execute it, but that's okay.
Okay. Your hotels in T Nagar and Adyar, you would have many celebrities coming to hotel.
Definitely.
Can you mention few?
See, MGR was a big fan of our badam kheer. Yeah, so because of that, a lot of actors used to have a badam kheer. So other than that, we have had Nazar, Talevasal Vijay, Selva, then Simbu, then latest you have like a couple of actresses. So that they keep coming. Vishwanatha Anand, Arvind Swamy, they're all our clients. And now latest we did the catering for the Royal Challengers Bangalore. For their training, we did the snack box. We supplied the snack box after their training, which is very, very essential because they are going to slog it out in the field for 3 hours. Then after that, they are totally drained out. And what we are going to give. That was again planned by my nephew Prahlad and his wife Shruti. They went about it. They planned it. Again, what has to go? Okay, here there should be an energy bar. Here there should be a drink. Here there should be a health drink. They went about it systematically, and we did it.
Okay, great to hear that many celebrities have come, including MGR, which again, you should talk with the pride that he has come. Yeah, definitely it is an honor for your restaurant. Unfortunately, உங்கள் தந்தை இருந்தும் 1974 இப்போ 2021 நன்றாகவே இதை முன்னிருந்து நடத்துகிறீர்கள். உங்களுக்கு ஒத்துழைப்பு கொடுக்க, தோள் கொடுக்க உங்களுடைய டைரக்டர்ஸ் ராம்நாராயண் பட், பிரகலாத் பட் இருக்கிறார்கள். நீங்கள் இன்னும் பல கிளைகள் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி சென்னை இல்லாமல் தமிழ்நாடு மற்ற மாநிலங்களிலும் நீங்கள் மத்ஸ்யா என்றால் சென்னை மத்ஸ்யான்றது வளர்ந்து வரணும். நிச்சயமாக நீங்கள் வளருவீங்க. ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு இந்த குவாலிட்டி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறீங்க. ஸோ உங்களுடைய ஹைஜீனிக் மெயின்டைன், உங்களுடைய ஹோட்டல் பார்த்தாவே தெரியும், வெரி க்ளீன். அண்ட் அட் த சேம் டைம் அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி பாக்கெட் பிஞ்ச் பண்ணும், ஆனால் ரொம்ப பிஞ்ச் பண்ணாது. சாப்பிட்ட இன்முகத்தோடு போவாங்க, பில்லு பே பண்ணிவிட்டு ரொம்ப இன்முகத்தோடு போவாங்க. ரொம்ப நன்றி ராம் பிரசாத் பட், ராம்நாராயண் பட், பிரகலாத் பட். வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
சென்னையில் இருந்திருக்கேன் ரொம்ப வருஷமாக. இங்கேருந்து அமெரிக்கா போய் 50 வருஷம் ஆச்சு.
சரி.
ஃப்ரெண்டு பாலு இங்கே வந்து கூட்டிக்கிட்டு வந்து மல்சியாவை இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டார். ஃபுட்டு கார்ஜியஸ், அமேசிங், வெரி வெரைட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபுட், and the taste is also excellent. And coming from California and San Francisco area, I feel that it's a pleasure to be in Matsya, eating the greatest food in Chennai, South Indian taste, and give a very appreciative of the management.
Thank you for the compliments.